Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Android battery draining fast. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Here are some effective ways that you can do. First is to simply head over to your settings on your Android phone, then select battery and then battery usage. Then see which apps or services are using the most power, uninstall or restrict background activity for power on your apps. Next option is to turn off unnecessary features, disable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS and NFC when not in use, and you can turn on airplane mode if you don't need connectivity. The next is to adjust your screen settings by simply lowering screen brightness and enabling auto brightness, and which reduces the screen timeout to 15 to 30 seconds, and use a dark mode if your phone has an OLED screen. The next option is to limit background apps. Close apps running in the background in the settings, or just simply heading over and opening up your recent tab and then closing all the apps, and then keep your apps and Android OS updated for efficiency improvements and bug fixes. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.